Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Remalyn Salarzon, 31 years old, and currently living at Barangay Sabang, Cabugao, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. My school highest attainment is undergraduate of college. I had 3 kids and a live-in partner. My work experience in Saudi Arabia is 2 years and 4 months as a nanny and a helper. My main duties are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and many more. To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, flexible, trustworthy, responsible, and very loving to children. I am hoping that you consider my application as your nanny or the helper. Good day, ma'am and sir, and thank you so much.